Hi. Am I asking? Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, hi, good evening.
Want to? No. Huh? Am I audible, right?
Yes, you are audible.
Do you have any doubts or you want to know anything?
Yeah,
Just
basically yesterday I was having with my audio. So I am new to Salesforce. I don't have any exposure or I don't have any knowledge on this. So I just wanted to know so how I
mm.
can improve Salesforce testing.
That I will cover. Yeah, you don't worry about it. I will explain. Okay.
And I think regarding you said before attending yesterday's class, I was thinking that if you need to do Salesforce testing, you'll be doing on Salesforce application. But with your demo, I got an overview about testing of different applications. So that was really helpful yesterday.
You want? Sorry. I didn't understand what you said.
So previously, my understanding was Salesforce testing
Mm,
means I should do on Salesforce application only. But in your
mm,
demo yesterday, you clarified that we can do Salesforce testing on any type of application like e-commerce, banking application, insurance domain. So that was really helpful because I gained some knowledge yesterday regarding the
Okay. Okay.
Salesforce testing. Even I'm also from Andhra Pradesh. Currently, I'm residing in Hyderabad for job purpose.
Okay. Yep. Currently, do you have any experience on any
Yeah,
testing?
I possess total 7 years into manual and mobile application testing.
Okay. Okay.
So currently, they are asking for automation, so I thought of moving to Salesforce testing.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Hey, hi Praveen. Hi Shetan. Hi Shruti.
Yeah, hi everyone.
We can wait for a few more minutes. Others will be joined. Okay. Yeah, okay. I think we can wait for a few more minutes. In this meantime, anyone having any doubts or any clarification you require, please let me know. We can discuss about it. No one have no doubts? Yeah, I think we can start. Maybe they will join a little late. In this meantime, we can start. Okay, today I am going to cover the two topics: how we can register to the support for portal, as I said yesterday session. That is the one topic on how we can download the patch file from the support portal, how we can installation, how we can add the Tosca extension to the browsers, any type of browser, Chrome or Firefox, Orange, anything. These topics I am going to cover. Is my voice is clear, right? If you are facing any disturbance from my end, please let me know. Okay, please respond if my voice is clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
Then it's fine. Okay. Uh, First, I am going to say how we can restart to the support folder. You can search www.licentissupporthub.com. Okay. Here you can able to see the link Licentis Support Hub. Okay. Here you can able to see the this is the page support portal page. You can see lot of things latest enrollments. What are the they have deployed? You can able to see everything in the latest announcement. Okay, these are the recent product releases. Means Tosca, we have the different types of versions for every year. They will release the versions 2025, 2024, 2023 like that. Every year they will release the one patch file. Okay, here you can able to see. Okay, here first you can click if you want to register, just click on the register. Here you have to provide your details. Okay, can give. These are the mandatory fields. What are the mandatory fields we have? We have to fill. Can nation, country, time zone. You can select Asia, Kolkata. Okay. Here you have to provide the corporate mail. Okay. This business email you can get it from the our HR team. Okay. They will provide you one corporate email. You can take from there. Okay. Same. You have to re-enter the your email. Here you have to set your password. Don't forget this password. Okay. Every time if you want to log in to support portal, you have to use the same password. While visitor the support portal, you have to set your password. Okay. Once everything is done, this registration code is not mandatory. Okay. Just click on the submit. Once you click on the submit button, you will receive the one verification email to your business email. Okay. In that email body, you will get the one link, hyperlink. Verify me now. If you click on that particular link, automatically your email will be validated. Okay. It will take few more minutes. I couldn't able to show that email link. I logged in my mobile. So okay. Once you register, here you can able to see registration successful. Please check your email for the confirmation link. In that link, you can able to see verify me now hyperlink. Just click on that hyperlink. Automatically, your email will be validated. Once you have successfully validated your email, you can log in with that email. Same password which you use while registering, same password you have to use to log in. Okay. Once you click on the login, you can able to see your profile. Okay. You have successfully logged into the support portal. Everyone is clear, right? Again, I am explaining. Go to browser, search www.tricentisupporthub.com. You can able to see the Tricentis support hub link. Just click on that portal URL. You can able to see the support portal homepage. Here you can able to see the register option. Just click on that. Once you click on this option, you have to enter mandatory field, first name, last name, country, time zone, and your corporate email you have to provide, and you have to set the password. Later, just click on the submit button. Once you click on the submit button, you can see the email in your inbox. In that email body, you can able to see the verify me now hyperlink. If you click on that hyperlink, you can get the successful message. Once you got the successful message, means your email was successfully verified with the Tricentis portal. Later, you can log in. Just click on the login option. You can enter your email and password. Just click on the login. Automatically, you can able to log into the support portal. Okay, here you can able to see the your profile as well. I haven't mentioned anything, phone number, email. If you want to edit, you can edit as well. Okay, clear as up to now, or anyone having anything? Please respond if everyone is okay, or I will explain again and again.
I'm okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Remaining persons clear? Just give thumbs up if everyone is
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, it's clear.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Now go to back homepage. Here in the low text any here you can able to see the VLI. Just click on it. Here you can able to see everything. Okay, what are the patches, what are the deployments they have done, everything you can able to see. Come down here to where you can come down is here you can able to see how to request a training license and download products for the Tosca. Okay, you can get it from here. Otherwise, in the mail here you can able to see right in the search bar. Just from there also you can search. Just type like how to request a training license and download the product for the Tricentis Tosca. Just if you click on the hyperlink, you can navigate to the solution page. In the solution, you can able to see Open Support Hub. This is the link and login. Ensure that you have verified your account during the registration process. This process we already completed. Hope everyone is clear up to now. Next, once you logged in the support hub, open this training request. If you want to get the request license, you have to open this one. Next, select the this I will show. If you want to download the Tricentis, sorry, the patch file, just you can navigate. Tricentis, navigate to this photo, select the relevant product. Here you can able to see the multiple types of the products. Okay, which version 2025, 2024, like that. Which version you want to download, you can download. Okay. So currently we couldn't able if you click on the download option automatically it is not downloading due to some issues. Okay, if you want to download, I will ask our HR team to share the patch file. Okay, the zip file I already downloaded. So this zip file our HR team will be shared to you. Currently we are using 2024.1.4. Okay. You can download that file. Once you download and extract, you can able to see the Tricentis Tosca 2024.1.4. Okay, this is the our Tosca commander. Just right click on it, run as the administration. Okay, once you click on administration, your Tosca commander is going to start the installation. We have to do some setup. I will show you. Okay. Okay, once you starting click on the run as administration, you can able to see this. Okay, here you have one option. I agree to license term and condition. You have to uncheck it. Okay, check it. Just click on the next option. Again, this we should have to download. These are the .NET files. Just click on the next. Here you can able to see the three options: Tosca Commander, Execution Agent, Custom Installation. As I said earlier, we have to save the application controls and script development. Everything we will do in the Tosca Commander. Just select that option, click on the next. Okay. Again, our Tosca Commander will be saved in this particular path. Okay. Installation Tosca project, everything you can able to see here. Okay. Yes, Lokesh, we have the 2025, but we can use it. If you want to download, you can download. Okay. You can speak, no problem. Okay, Lokesh. You can enable this data integrity option. Click on the next. Once you click on the install, it will take more than 5 minutes. Just wait. Yeah. Now tell me, sorry, Lokesh, what is your doubt?
We have native version, guys. So can we use that
Oh,
or we have to download
yes,
only
sir.
20?
Yeah, we can use. Here you can able to see. Scientist Tosca 2025.1 patch 2 Tosca version. Okay, here just click on the read full post. Here you can able to see the Tricentis 2025.Patch 2, right? This is server. This no need to install. You have to click on this particular link. Once you click on the particular link, automatically that patch file will be downloaded. Okay.
So after installing exe file, we need to download the patch file.
No. From how we can download the patch file means that is I'm saying that is exe file. Patch file means exe file. You can once you go to the home page, right, in support folder. Here you can able to see the viewer. From here
Yeah.
you can able to see the what are the latest version. Everything you can able to see. I said right, recent product releases.
Yeah.
Give me a minute. I will show you. The currently we couldn't able to download the patch file from the support portal. If you click on the download option, it won't download it. It won't be downloaded. So that's why I said if you want to if you want to get the patch file, you can reach out to our admin team. They will provide. Clear?
Okay.
Anyone having any doubts? Remaining persons, we can download it. Lokesh. Okay. If you want 2025 version, you can get it from our admin team. Okay. They will provide. Currently, I am using the 2024. Okay. Registration, everyone is clear. Shruti and Bharat, Sheetal, Indra.
Yeah, yeah, good.
Can anyone is trying from your backend or not? Once your installation is completed, your laptop automatically it will be restarted. Okay, don't worry about it. Just give me 1 minute. My system is restarting. Okay. Now is my screen is visible, right? So still the installation is going on. Okay, in this meantime, I will explain how we can request the license. Okay. So I already documented how we can install the everything. I will share with you guys. Okay. So as I said earlier, if you click on here, you can able to see the link how we can download and how we can get the Tosca commander. Okay, download products for the present is Tosca. If you click on it, this is registration. This is second link. It will showing us once you are logged in this support hub. Open this link. Select a type of license you are required, cloud or on-premise. We recommended using the cloud license. Okay. Here, once you click on that particular link, here you can able to see the cloud and on-premise. What is the difference between the cloud and on-premise? If you get the on-premise license, only one person work uh, can work on that particular license. Multiple people couldn't able to use the same emails or same credentials to the Tosca commander. Only one person can get the license. If we use the cloud license, multiple number of people can use the same creds, same license credentials they can use and they can connect to the Tosca commander. Everyone is clear? What is the difference between the cloud and on-premise means? If we use the on-premise license, only one person can access. Suppose I already requested with the on-premise license. That email, that license credentials I am using in my mission. Okay. Same credentials, same license credentials are Lokesh or Indra. They can't use with the my credential. Why? I already using those credentials in my mission. If I log out from my mission, then only they can able to use. Okay, means only one person can use the credentials. If we use the cloud, if we get the cloud credentials, multiple peoples use the credentials. This is the main difference. Cloud and on-premise. Everyone is clear? Or any doubts? What is the difference between the cloud and on-premise? If yes, please respond. If you give the thumbs up symbol in Teams. Hmm? Okay. Here, if you just click on the request cloud training license, you can get the cloud training license. I'm just clicking on the request cloud training license. Here you can able to see what type of the license this is, cloud or on-premise. You can see the cloud. State, it is showing deploying. At which time, which date, which time we have requested, we can able to see here. Okay, updated means once it is showing is the deploying means currently we haven't received any license. Once it is showing deployed, then only you got the license. Okay, first you click on the request cloud license. It is showing as status deploying means still it is in progress. Once you got the status deployed, then only you can able then only you can get the access. Okay, you have to wait until deployed state. It means how much time it will take to deploy? Almost it will take 1 minute to 2 minutes. Okay, more than it won't take. Now you got the license. Everyone is clear how we can get the license? Are not clear? Clear, right? Okay. Now, another one we have to how Tosca will connect to the our web browser. If Tosca should connect with the web, any type of the browser, that browser should have the Tricentis extension. How we can add the Tricentis extension? Everyone knows, right? What is the extension means? If you have to read any type of the PDFs or any type of the documents in the browser, if you want to open, it should have the extensions. These are the PDF, Adobe extension, Google document offline. So like that, we have to add the extension, our Tosca extension to the browser. Okay, how we can add? In your browser, you can search like Tosca extension for a Chrome browser. Once you hit, here you can able to see Tricentis portal, create X browser modules. Just click on it. Once you click on the link, you can able to see here, install extensions in the browser. Chrome, Mozilla, Microsoft Edge, like that you can get. Okay. If you want to install manually, you can add. Here you can click on the Google Chrome browse. If you want to add Firefox, you can use. If you want to add Edge, you can use. Okay. Now I'm going to add extension for the our Chrome browser. Just click on the download extension option. Okay. Once you click on the that particular link, okay, our Tosca command is successfully installed. Okay. Once installation is completed, you can able to see the finish option. Just click on the finish option. Okay. Later, okay, that is okay. Now, how we can add the Tricentis automation extension for Chrome? Here, add to Chrome browser. Just click on it and click on the add extension. See, here you can able to see your Tosca commander added successfully. This is the extension you can able to see. Our Tricentis automation extension was added successfully. If you click on the manage extension, you can able to see our Tricentis automation extension for the Chrome browser was added successfully. Once we have added the extension to the browser, we have to enable the few options in the extension. In the here you can able to see the details, right? Just click on it. In the details, you can able to see the allow in incognito and allow access to file URLs, collect errors. Means if you want to execute your test cases in incognito mode, then you have to enable this option. Okay, then only you can able to execute your test cases in the incognito mode. Okay, allow access to file URLs. Any type of the browser means Amazon. If you want to open the Amazon application, if you want to open the Flipkart, if you want to open the Salesforce application, your Tosca should connect to the that particular web application URLs. You should enable the this option, allow access to file any type of the URLs. Okay, these two are mandatory. Okay, if you want to connect, this is not a mandatory option, but these two should be mandatory. Once you done enable these two options, you have successfully connected added the extension. This is how we can add the extension. Hope everyone is clear. Again, I am saying this is very important. Now I am removing from the Chrome browser. Again, I am saying just search Tosca extension for the Chrome browser. Here you can able to see the click X browser modules. Just click on that particular URL. Install extension manually. Go to down. Here you can able to see the install extension manually. Open Chrome. If you want to add it to Chrome, you can add. If you want to add it for Edge, you can open this link. Now I'm going to add it to Chrome. Just click on that extension. Now add to Chrome option. Automatically, this will add it to the Chrome successfully. Now go to, you can go manage, you can navigate to the manage extension option in two ways. If you click on this extension option, here you can able to see the manage option. If you click on it, automatically it will navigate to the manage extension page. Else, here you can able to see three dots, right? If you click on it, here you can able to see the extension option. Just click on it, manage extension. Here you can able to see our Tosca Tricentis automation extension pack file. Okay, just click on the details. You have to enable these two options. If you want to execute in incognito mode, you have to enable. If you want to access to any type of the URLs, you have to provide, you have to enable this file URL option. This is how we can add the extension. Why we have to add the extension to the browser? If you want to, if your Tosca should connect to the any type of the browser, that browser should have the extension. Okay, present this extension. So in my system, I have the Edge and Chrome. In the Edge, I haven't added any Tricentis extension. If I execute my test case, it will execute in the Chrome browser. Why? I already added Tricentis automation extension in my Chrome browser. I haven't added in the Edge, so it won't execute in the Edge. Okay. If you add your extension in the both Edge and Chrome, in the situation, in test case, which browser you have mentioned. Suppose I want to execute in the Chrome browser. So I have to mention this particular test case should be executed in the browser. Like that, we have to mention. Okay, there is one option. Later, I will show you how we can add that browser name. So which browser you have mentioned in your test case, in that particular browser, your test case will be executed. Clear? How we can request the license and how we can add the extension. Are any doubts? How we can install? Hope everyone is clear. This is not downloading. Just respond, guys. Everyone is clear?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to explain Tosca Commander. We already installed, right? Finish. If you go to your search menu bar, here you can just enter Tosca Commander. You can see this Tricentis symbol. This is the Tricentis logo. Just open the Commander. Okay. Once you open your Commander, you have to activate the license. We got the license in the support portal. Okay, that's fine. But how we can activate our Tosca Commander with that license, I am going to explain. Okay. Okay, once you open your sorry uh, your Tosca Commander, you can see the username and password setup option under the license. You can able to this setup option. Here just enter your username and password, which you register to that particular portal. You have to use it. Okay. Once you enter your email and password, just click on the login. Okay, you can able to get the one success. Great, that worked like a charm. You are successfully connected to the license server. Then use the Tosca Commander right now. Okay, means automatically you have successfully registered to Tosca Commander with your credentials. Okay, if you go to manage option, navigate to here. Here you can able to see the project option, right? Just click on it. You can able to see setting option about Tosca. If you click on the about Tosca, you can able to see which version you are using, which build it is. Those you can able to see. Okay. Next, these are the settings. If you want to enable any type of the settings, you have to click on the settings option. Okay. These things I can show you later. Okay, these are the setting option. In the accounts, you can able to see your account. We have already registered to the support photo, right? That account it will be shown here. Okay. Account projects, we have to provide this endpoint. That is not required for us. Okay. Here you can able to see our server ID. If you get the license in this support folder, they will create a one server ID. This is our server ID. We connected to this particular server with our credentials. Okay. If you want, you log in with some other. You want to log in with another user. Okay. Just if you click on the login as the another user, it will ask for the same credential. You can enter different user. If you click on OK, now you register with the another licensed user. Okay, this is how we can set up the license, how you can connect our Tosca command to the license server ID. Hope everyone is clear. Okay. Hope
Is there any option where we can see how many days our license is still available?
we can't see. If you look at here, if you read this, okay. License hereby gratitude information here they will mention purpose already so no other can be permitted software install because here they haven't mentioned, but we can able to use up to 4 weeks.
Okay.
Srikant, for example, let's say if it is 2 weeks, and after the 2 weeks, how can we reactivate again this? Any idea?
Yeah. And again, you have to navigate to same page. You can click on the request cloud license, training license. Then you will get another 4 weeks.
Okay.
We can use the same email ID 2 times. We can request the cloud license for 2 times. Okay, then means with one email ID, you can get the 8 weeks of trial version, means 2 months. Okay, again, later also, if you want to activate, you have to use another email. There is no other option. Or else, you have to check with your company admin, one of the admin access, Tosca admin access, they can provide you if you request it. But in this meeting, you can check with our HR team, they can provide, okay, training license. You can get these corporate email IDs, they will provide, okay. Clear?
That will be
You,
also for
you install this as a trial version, right?
That is trial version. No, that trial version we can able to see based on the our license. That email ID provided our HR team. So I have used the same email ID. With that email ID, I connected. Okay. If they give the permanent access, then I will get more days. I think someone is asking, I think. Shita, you are asking something?
Yeah, I was just asking if the corporate, like the HR will give us the ID, that will also be valid for 8 weeks or like 4 weeks and then again request for.
I think they bought the license for 1 year like this. So if you add your corporate email ID, you will get up to how many months they can provide. You can get it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, anyone?
And we can use Gmail also, but it seems it gives only 2 weeks, I think.
Yeah, but Gmail, I think they recently they will give, but it will give only 2 weeks. Later we can't use. But recently they have blacked the Gmails. More number of people are registering to the support folder, right? So that's why they are not giving that much of access to that Gmails. So I always suggest we can reach out our HR team. They can provide. Okay. You don't worry about it.
But anyways, temp email also will give the business IDs, right?
Yeah, but it will work or not. It will work only for the 2 weeks like that. But It will only work for 2 weeks. Later, if you want to get, you have to use it again, and again. So that's why I'm asking. Our HR team provide. You are paying amount, right? Definitely, they should have to provide. If they are not providing, let me know. I will ask the team. Okay. Anyone? Piyush, Mahendra. Clear? Okay, done. Mahendra, you're asking something.
No, I'm good.
Okay, great. Okay, this is our Tosca Commander homepage. Okay. Later, there is a suppose I want to create a. Here you can able to see the create new. If we click on create new, we have the workspace. I think today I mentioned right Tosca Commander. In this commander, we can create the test cases. What is workspace means? Yesterday I mentioned right. Anyone can guess? Anyone any idea on the workspace? What is workspace? I said two types of workspaces we have. Anyone can able to answer? So just try if it is wrong, also no problem.
We have two types of workspace. So sorry, here, single user workspace and multi-user workspace.
Yeah, super. What is the difference between the multi-user and single user, brother? What is the difference between single user workspace and multi-user workspace? Any guess? Any idea on this? Okay, no problem. Single user workspace, we can able, first I will explain. This is the one of the interview question, okay? Types of workspaces on which type of workspace we can using real-time projects. Okay, we have two types of the workspaces. One is single user workspace. Another one is multi-user workspace. Okay, single user workspace means, let me explain. Okay. I'm opening one Excel file. Okay, I have taken the one new file. Okay, here I'm entering some data. Now I am saving this file into my desktop. Okay, book one was saved in my desktop. So who can have the access this particular file? I can only access to that particular file. Why? This file is saved in my local file, right? So other persons can't access to this particular file. Suppose if I keep same file in the drive or any type of this server, then automatically particular Excel file in any drive or any server, who have the access to that particular drive or server, everyone can able to get the access to this particular file. This we can call it as a multi-user workspace. Single user workspace means if we create this single user workspace, that work file will be saved in your local system. Means only one person can access to that particular file. Clear? What is single user workspace means? Multi-user workspace means if we create the multi-user workspace, that particular file will be saved in the cloud or database. who are connected to that particular database, that person can work on that multi-user workspace. Means n number of people can work on the multi-user workspace. Single user workspace means only one person can work on the single user workspace. Clear? Only one person can work on the single user workspace. Multi-user workspace means n number of peoples can work on that file. So n number of
In case of
peoples.
multi,
Tell me. Someone asking something. You can ask, brother.
so in case of multi-user workspace, so that workspace is always save on any shared drive, right?
Yes, yes, correct. In that time, only multiple peoples can get, right? If it is saved in your local machine, how they will get? They can't, right?
Right. So means always it is a saving on some server, right?
Database. Yes.
Okay.
Just like said, right? If you save this file in the local workspace, only I can able to access this file. I can able to edit. If I keep same file in the drive, if I given access to you, you can also able to edit. That is the one. Clear? Clear, right? All are. Everyone is clear. This is very important question. What is the difference between the multi-user workspace and single-user workspace? In interviews, they will ask. In the situation, you have to say, if I create the single-user workspace, that work file will be saved in my local machine. So I can able to access to that particular file and I can able to work on that file. You have to say, like, if they will be saved in the database. So if I connect to that database, if a multiple people can connect to that database, they can work on the multi-user workspace. So in single working file, multiple people can work. That is, we can call it as a multi-user workspace. But single-user workspace means only one person can work. That is the main difference you have to mention in the interviews. Okay. In your real time, you will use the multi-user workspace only. Okay, why means in single project, multiple people should be work, right? So always we can prefer multi-user workspace. Yeah, Praveen, tell me. You have something, right?
How can we define the access levels here in Tosca for multiple users? User can do that alone, or Tosca admin can do that?
Praveen, and again.
Shrikant, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear.
Just my question is, how can we share access levels to the multiple users in Tosca? For example, you are talking about the multiple workspace.
That I will cover, brother. Okay. Okay, here just click on the create new. If you select the this here you can able to see none. Create single user workspace. If you select this, it will create the only single user workspace. If you want to create the multi-user workspace, you couldn't able to see any multi-user workspace like that. There is no option, but you can able to see the database types: SQLite, Oracle, MS SQL Server, DB2. These all are the database types. You can select any type of the database. Suppose in my project they are using the MS SQL Server. They will create a one database for the automation. Okay, if they will create the one database for automation, they will provide the one connection string. Means the database name, database username, password. They admin, our team leader, manager, they will provide the connection string. Like it will be like that, any type of the file, it will be like that. Once you can select that database type, which database they are using in that project, you have to select that MS SQL or SQL or anything. Later, if you want to connect to that particular database, that database should have the connection string. This connection string will provided by our team leader manager. Just take the connection string and paste it. Just if you click on the test connection, here you can able to see the one option. Connection is valid. Means now I am using the wrong connection, right? Connection string I given randomly, right? So that's why it is not showing. Connection could not be established. If you use the right connection, you can able to see the connection is valid. Means you are successfully connected to this MS SQL server with this connection string. Okay. Now, up to is clear. How we can select this server, which server, how you can give the connection string, click on the test connection. Yeah, Praveen, tell me.
Yeah, clear, we can.
Clear? Yeah, thank you. Okay. This is how you can create the MSS workspace. This workspace will created in our database. We are connecting to the database, but that workspace file will be created in our mission. That file which was created in our mission, that file will connected to the database. If you work on, if you created any test case, if you save it, that work will be saved in the workspace. That workspace will connected to the databases automatically. Your work will be saved in the database. Okay. Now I am going to select the name for the new workspace. I am giving the test. Our workspace name is test. Okay. Where it is saving, it will be saving C drive, Tosca projects, Tosca workspace. Just click on the OK. If you click on OK, it will be saved, but connection I given wrong, right? So I am taking the single user workspace. This workspace, it is saving in the C drive, Tosca project, Tosca workspaces. Our workspace name is test. Just click on the OK. Once you click on the OK, your workspace will be created. Now you can able to see the Tosca working homepage. Okay, this is project overview. Here you can able to see the test cases, modules. This I think I will explain. This is how we can create the test workspaces. We all, I think we created a single user workspace, right? That is saved in the C drive, our C drive, right? So if you go to C drive, the project is Tosca project. Here you can able to see the Tosca commander and Tosca workspace. I have created the workspace name is test. If you navigate, that workspace is created in the our Tosca workspaces with the name of the test. If you save your work, that work will be saved in the test workspace. In this workspace, that our work will be saved. Okay. Is it clear how we can create the workspace? How we can see it was created and okay. I have created something done. I want to now close. I want to come out from the workspace. Here, just click on the project. He can able to see the close workspace option. Just click on it. Automatically, you can come out of from the workspace project. You can able to see test. Clear how we can create the single user workspace and multi-user workspace. Again, I am saying just see, just click on the new. If you want to create the multi-user workspace, you can select this type of the DBs in your project, which DB they are using. You can select. Once you can select that DB, you have to provide that DB database connection and test connection. You can able to see the connection is valid. Means your works you have successfully connected to the database. Okay. Now I am going to create the single user workspace for my local. So I have taken the create single user workspace. This workspace is going to save in the this particular path C drive, Tosca projects, Tosca workspaces. I want to save this workspace with this some other date, means Salesforce project. you can select, you can give the that workspace name. Just click on the OK. Automatically workspace will be created.
In case of multi-user, so whatever we are doing in Tosca, for example, in creating test, executing, so all those details are saved in a particular DB, right?
Sorry, can you ask me again?
So when we are using the multi workspace, okay, so whatever we are doing, creating test case or executing, all those details are saved in that particular workspace.
Yes.
So
Everything
those
will be
details are
whatever
saved
the
in, yeah,
data.
database, right?
Yes, database. I will show you. I will give you one example. Okay. If you already, can you go to mute? Sorry. Yeah. As I said earlier, in our project, we have the one database. Our manager, our IT team, any lead, they will create the one database, right? For our automation. They will create the one database file for automation. So means if you're creating a workspace by using the connection string means your workspace is connecting to the particular database which they were created for the automation. If you do any type of work, if you click on, if you save that work, it you are already connected to that database, right? Your work will be saved in that database. Then only, what is the use of the multi-user workspace? Suppose in a project, me and Shital, Indra, Praveen, we four people are working in a single project. Okay. I have created a workspace. Indra created workspace. Praveen also created a one workspace. Okay. By using the connection string, we four people created a workspace. I have worked on the registration test cases. If I save my work, automatically my work will be saved in the database. They already connect Indra and Praveen and Shati, they also connected to their database, right? So automatically my work also in their workspace they can able to see. Automatically, whatever the work I have completed, it will be saved in the database. From database to Praveen or Indra, their workspace also it will be saved. They can also able to see my work in their workspaces. This is how it will be work.
Got,
Clear? Or any confusion?
got it, sir. You mean, yeah, got it, sir. You mean you are saying that this is a kind of repository we can see everyone accessing?
Yes, yes. If we are using the connection string by while creating the workspace, means your workspace is saved in that repository. Your work will be saved in the repository. My work will be saved in the repository. Shetal work will be saved in the repository. Indra work will be saved in the repository. So your work, my work, everything will be in the database, right? So everyone can able to see your all our work. That is clear, Praveen?
Yes, sir. Got it. Got it.
Yeah, that's it. Anyone having any doubts? So for today, this is enough. Okay, if anyone having any doubts, I will share the file. Okay, I have already documented one file, Tosca installation process. That file I will got Okay, I will share that Word document in the channel. You can able to install. First, before after installing, you have to activate your license. Right? Just take the email IDs, corporate email IDs from the admin team. Okay, they will provide. If they are not providing, we can check with them. Okay, clear, everyone? So, can everyone complete installation and activating license and extension adding to the browsers by tomorrow? Before our
Yeah.
session, please everyone can try to complete the installation and license activation. Okay. I can explain more. From tomorrow, I will explain basic things. What are the things we have to learn if we want to start the Salesforce application? We have to learn first some basic things. Okay. If you practice those things, you can able to automate the Salesforce application. Okay. Yeah. So if you are having any doubt, please ask me. I will wait for 2 or 5 minutes. If you guys don't have any doubts, you guys can drop off and you can take the corporate email IDs and the activated email IDs from our team. Okay. Thanks, guys.
So we have the same product for Salesforce, or do we need to install different
No,
products?
no, no.
Reset
Same
this.
product. Same product. We
Same.
have to.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it for today. We can connect tomorrow. Okay. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Else you guys can drop off. Thank you.
Thank
Yes,
you.
but
Thank you.
Thank you.
yes, but yes, you're asking something. No. Yeah. Thank you.